Good morning friends. Myself Ayush Anand. And I'm back with another video on IPO. When a company raises money for the first time it is called IPO. You might be knowing IRCTC came with IPO in September 2019. In that IPO IRCTC raised 650 crore rupees and in return company have 12.60% stake. A company can issue multiple IPO but on different exchange. One person can apply multiple times through multiple applications for an IPO. It is a rule, and if you apply in an IPO through multiple applications with same name or same Demat account or same PAN number, all of your application will be rejected. There are two types of IPO. First is fixed price IPO and another is book building IPO. Let's start with fixed price IPO. In fixed price, before issuing IPO, company first decide the price of share with investment bank. And on that price subscribers can subscribe for shares. For example 100 rupees per share. In book building IPO, company decides the price band with investment company. For example 300 to 315 rupees per share. You get stake in the company based on the proportion you bought shares. The IPO is open for 3 or 10 days. Usually it is open for 3 days, and in these 3 days investors have to subscribe for shares in the company and then shares are allotted. In IPO you can only buy shares of the company but you cannot sell them. To sell the shares you have to wait for the shares to be listed on recognized stock exchange. In an IPO you directly buys shares from the company, and in stock exchange you buys shares from another investors. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Now you can follow me on Instagram for new video updates. Link is in description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.